toasted almond bonbon. This does require a little bit of baking, but not a lot of baking. Like if you've never baked anything in your life, you'll be able to do this, okay? So it requires dry milk powder,
Gotcha.
okay? A little bit of that, and then some flour. Some cornstarch. Now, this is what makes a toasted almond bar, that delicious crunch on the outside.
I gotcha.
That's what we're making here. Some brown sugar, some almonds that we've chopped up nicely, a teaspoon of salt, because I love a little salt.
I love salt with sweet.
The best.
Yep.
The best. We're going to whisk this together just to combine it right now, and then we're going to make it come together with a little bit of almond extract. So.
You can smell that. It's everywhere.
Delish. All right, and then we have some melted butter. Okay, so that all goes in here. So we're making our crumble. Just get that together like so until it forms, you know, like a little sandy kind of texture. And see, it's clumping there a little bit in the whisk. This is when you change to a spoon. Who's going to get that off my sweater? Okay. I haven't been touched like that in a while, Rach.
I came this close to licking it. This close.
All right, so then this goes onto a baking sheet. Goes in the oven for a few minutes, blah, blah, blah. Take it out. Okay, then it's this delicious sandy texture like this, right?
Gorgeous.
It's beautiful golden brown, a little bit chunky.
Almond sand.
Almond sand.
That's a perfect way of putting it.
There you go. We take a little bit of melted white chocolate.
Oh, shut the door.
Whoa, now you're just showing off.
You think? All right, we're going to do a little drizzle over this.
Oh.
Okay.
Did you hear them? Oh, no.
Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. All right, so the white chocolate goes on there as well. It seems sort of seized up a little bit, but once again, I don't care. It's going to be fine. Okay, sort of give it a little bit of a mix. All right, so then we let this sit for just a little bit, right? And then it turns into this. Yep. And then, now, this is going to seem like there's a lot of steps for some freaking bonbons, but...
no, it's melted chocolate and a little bit of almond sand.
Yes, that's true, but then now it has to go in the food processor.
Okay, but you're trying to dissuade them from making your recipe.
No, I'm really not. I just feel a little bit guilty because I sort of sold this to you as like, it's really easy, it's no big, but it requires some steps.
Listen, your mother wants you to suffer a little bit. Of course.
There we go. All right, so we pulse this until it is now this beautiful texture here. Now, I'm telling you, this crumb situation is so good. You're going to want to bake like a triple batch of it just to put around the outside. If you're a baker, put it on the outside of a cake.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. It's that good.
Right.
Yeah.
What a great idea.
A toasted almond cake would be incredible.
Oh, my God, that's a great idea.
It's not too sweet, but just a little bit of sweetness.
A little bit of sweetness in there. That's a little salty, too, which is nice.
The salt is the best part.
The salt really does it.
Yeah. All right, so now we have a pint of the best quality vanilla ice cream you can find. Good old-fashioned vanilla ice cream. And to that, we're going to add some almond extract. And then
then you're making almond ice cream.
It's the toasted almond situation, all right? And then we just sort of... It's so weird. I haven't done this with you in a long time.
So long,
Look
right?
what
Look what he did. Look at what you did. Look.
I know. All right, so then we make little ice cream balls with the scoop, right? And they turn into this. And then this is where we take these little suckers and then we just roll them into the crunch. Okay, just roll them in there.
And you make the bonbons.
Shake your bonbon. Okay.
Shake your bonbon.
Okay, and then we put them on a plate. Blah, blah, blah. You can make them rounder if you want to, whatever. If you're doing it for your actual mother, take better care and do it like with a little love.
Do a better job than we're doing.
It's just, I haven't been in your kitchen cooking with you in so long that I feel like I'm a little rusty. But then, here they are.
You have them already? I don't need to do this.
You don't need to do this.